need to start working out again. But you know what I love more than working out? ASMR. And being calm and collected and cool. Also, sorry if cool was supposed to go first. It's not what it looks like. Anyway, let's just get the vibe right. Let's get the vibe right, dude. Get the freaking vibe right, dude. You seen those ASMR videos on TikTok where they like have a Spider-Man mask on and like just power drill the Blue Yeti with forks and spoons? All right, we're gonna try it out. See what all the hype is about, you know? That's just you, bro. I promise it's a trend, dude. Come on. Dude, I didn't make this up. What do you think of me? Basically, the whole idea is you plug in the microphone as you would. Okay. That good clean audio. That's what we want to hear, right? Is this thing on? There you go. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't have it on cardioid mode. That's my bad. Oops. And then, where's the gain? Raising gains, you know what I'm saying? Which side is the loud side? Test. Okay, so that's as low as it can go, I think. Run, it's gonna blow! Turn it the other way. There you go. Alright, I'm gonna pretend I'm giving you guys a haircut. I don't know why it's ringing like that. The ringing stopped. Let's go! Oh, shit, that's different. Now I can hear it. Everyone. Dude, I feel like a Joe Rogan. Oh, Joe! Don't touch me! So anyway, you ever done LSD? I'm in your brain! Wait, where are my big scissors? How do I give you a haircut with no scissors? Don't worry, guys, I got them. Don't let the fisheye deceive you. These scissors are normal sized. I'm ready for this ASMR. Hell yeah. Just how did you want this? Like a number 4 on the side or something? Pull off the top here. Oh, I think it's breaking. That's why it beeps. So what do you do for work? This, believe it or not, for me, haircutting, yeah. Oh, shh. That sounds really weird. I don't like it. Now it sounds like your neighbors are getting a haircut. This is nightmare fuel. It's just a haircut, dude. It's not scary. Where the headphone users at? Just a little off the top of your earlobe here. Oh God, there's so many chips in it. Most normal barbers in town. I'm saying, just some normal size scissors. That's right. That's right. You're right. You're right. You new sounds I've never heard before. Oh man, I'm suing you. Don't sue me, man. Really all I got here. Considering I have to listen to it too, it's not really feeling like much of a joke besides on myself. Bro, you cut the feet off? I'm sorry. It's already, I'm sorry. Alright, new plan. New plan. Just pardon my, yeah, just let me get by you here. Yeah, just let me, You'd think I would know. I make my nuggies every Wednesday. So hard to do without looking. Just get in. I just want the Blue Yeti to simulate ASMR like the Blue Yeti was in the microwave. How do people do this without laughing the whole time? I'm zen. Stoic. Alright. Enough. Jesus. God, Jesus fucking Christ. That sounds awful. Very tingly. It's working. I've lost my goddamn mind. Get out of your break, Lonnie. I will fire you if you don't stop making food. Sorry, I didn't hear you. What'd you say? I'm making food. Hopefully this is funny to somebody other than myself. But that was pretty funny. Alright, how you turn this bitch on? I gotta hear what it sounds like, even though it probably will burn down the house. I feel like a noise musician. I'm just experimenting with sounds, Loomis. Do not be bothered. Daddy's making art. Whoops. I broke it. Daddy broke it. Oh, I muted it. It was muted. You wanna hear the fan? That's Skrillex dropping it hard! It sounds like the airport, but there's a giant with the sniffles next to it and giving horrible play-by-play commentary. Ah, there's a long pass in the house. I hope I don't get hit by this shit. The things I do for you guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. I keep thinking I have to talk this way, but I'm fuck, they sunk my battleship. I didn't expect this to be as funny as it was. Wow, okay. And did you have anything to say? And me when I what? Yeah? Okay, microwave. It don't worky. Start. That's probably the best, right? I don't know. I'm gonna die. Bro is microwaving his Blue Yeti? I'm making a song. You guys want to hear what that new Owl City album sounds like? It's in the trash. Sorry, Owl City. Not sure what the kids aren't into these days.